Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good and doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got away with basically not wearing deodorant for a couple of months. And I smell good, I feel fresh, and there's nothing stinky over here. And I'm going to tell you how I did it in today's video. If you're all about anything health, anything vitality, or anything natural, then you definitely want to stick around for this video. In the past couple of months I have basically thrown away all my deodorant. I do not wear deodorant anymore. I don't wear antiperspirants because I have done my own research into how harmful they can be for the body, how they are linked to a lot of diseases such as cancers. They're also linked to cysts, tumors, and things you just don't want growing in your body. So to prevent that, I didn't come up with a solution. I've always known this. As a child I actually did this, but I completely forgot about it just through living as society does and following the ways of society. But it definitely works. So before I get into what I do and how I basically prevent odor without using deodorant, I'm just going to explain the differences between antiperspirant and deodorant. Look, I'm no scientist, I'm no professional in this. I'm just basically doing my research the same way you guys are. So if I get things wrong, definitely excuse me. This is not my place of expertise. Definitely correct me in the comment section if you feel that I said something wrong, because I'm not perfect, I don't know everything, and I'm also willing to learn. But according to Google, it says antiperspirant and deodorant have a few key differences. Deodorant masks odor, whilst antiperspirant reduces how much you sweat. That is very important. So one of the reasons why I stopped wearing antiperspirant specifically is because it basically blocks your body from perspiring, from sweating. And us sweating is our body's natural way of cooling the body down and responding to like hard vigorous exercises or body just having a lot of movement. It's our body's way of cooling us down. It's our body's way of basically protecting us. So for us to block that from happening, in my opinion, I think that's quite dangerous. I don't like the idea of blocking my pores. I don't like the idea of blocking my body from doing what it's supposed to naturally do. It says deodorant mask odor. I'm guessing an antiperspirant is basically a deodorant and something blocking your pores at the same time. So basically it masks the odor whilst blocking your pores, basically preventing you from bringing the odor out. So yeah, I'm just not for that. If you're for that, then of course do you, but me, wow, voila. So, sorry, my eye is twitching. It's been twitching all week, so please don't get distracted. It's really annoying, but yeah. So anyway, as a way of one, preventing odor without blocking my pores, this is what I do, and it's very, very simple. What is this secret thing I've been doing, you may ask? It's so simple, and I'm sure a lot of you have it at home right now as we speak. I basically use lime. Lime, simple lime. A lime, that's it. That is my deodorant, and I'm gonna list off the benefits of using lime. But like I said, when I was younger, when I was going through puberty and stuff, I actually used to use lime to bathe, and I didn't smell. I stopped smelling, and I completely forgot about how good lime is as a natural deodorant. We don't necessarily need to stop our bodies from working by basically blocking our pores. This doesn't block your pores. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals that you can't pronounce, and it works fantastic. No odor, and you're still going to sweat normally without stinking. So I'm going to show you how I make my deodorant. I've experimented with this and I basically found a way that works. Before I squeezed a whole load of lime into a bottle and kept it, for a couple of weeks, and I found that the longer I kept it, the less effective it was. So I'll definitely say do this maybe once a week if you want to do it my way. I'm going to show you how I make my lime deodorant right now.
It's very quick and simple. All you need is one lime and a spray bottle. I got this spray bottle from Poundland, very cheap, very effective. If you don't want to use plastic, you can of course use a glass one. This is just the cheapest one and the quickest one I could find. Slice your lime in half, looks like this. If you guys know where to get key limes in the UK, definitely let me know, but this is just the limes that we have here in the UK, unfortunately. And I'm going to use the citrus juicer that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to squeeze all the juice out of the lime. I find that half a lime can actually last you a whole week if you put it into the bottle, so you don't necessarily need to squeeze the whole lime. Maybe squeeze half a lime and put the rest in the fridge for the next week. Use the rest for something else, but half a lime will definitely last you for a while, at least a week. I then dispense the lime into my bottle. Once the lime has been dispensed into my bottle, it's ready to go, and you can just store it in the fridge and use it every day as normal. It just sprays out like this, spray it under your armpit, and that's it. I wouldn't recommend doing this straight after shaving. It might sting. I'll definitely fan my armpits for maybe like a few seconds after spraying the lime juice under your armpits, just so it's not sticky. But you guys can see how clear it has made my skin as well. It definitely lightens up your skin. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
So if you don't want to do it my way by squeezing the lime juice into a spray bottle, this is definitely the easier way. But if you, for any reason, just feel like you just want to put the lime on and go, you can definitely slice lime in half and just put it under there, put it under your armpit, and it works just as fine. If anyone in the UK knows where I can actually get key limes, please let me know. Key limes are basically limes with the seeds in it. I found that everywhere I go in the UK, I can never ever find limes with seeds in them. So I don't even know if our limes are like real limes, girl. But it will do. It will do for now, better than deodorant. I'm just going to list off the benefits of lime as deodorant. According to Googler, it says, remember that lemon and lime juice is a great deodorant, but it's not antiperspirant. So like I said, it doesn't stop you from sweating, which is good because we need to sweat as our body's natural way of cooling us down. But it does, however, stop you from having an odor, which is the whole aim of, you know, antiperspirants and deodorant in the first place. So to combat that aim, why not just use a more natural way? But it does eliminate bad odors. If you're looking to protect your skin, ding, avoid antiperspirants, ding, because they may contain ingredients like aluminium. Girl, we are putting aluminium under our armpits every single day. I've been doing this since I was like a teenager, for maybe like 15 years. That is crazy. And so they may include ingredients such as aluminium, which block the pores of our skin to prevent us from sweating. Aluminium is not the only harmful ingredient in antiperspirants and deodorant. There's so many more. If you ever just look at the back of your deodorant and try and read off the ingredients, I'm pretty sure you can't even pronounce half of them. And that to me is scary. So So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you would give it a shot. I promise you, you would not stink. I promise you would not stink. I've been doing this, I've literally thrown away all my deodorants. I've been doing this since like, I can't remember, maybe like October or September-ish, and it's been working so good. Don't smell, don't have any odor, keeps my skin looking fresh, bright, without harming my skin and without harming my pores. So I would definitely 100% recommend everyone to do this, because they don't want you to know. They want us to be sick and be in the healthcare system and be dying. God forbid. God forbid. Let's all be healthy and well all 2023, all the rest of our lives, in the mighty name of Jesus, okay? But we have to do the work. We have to basically work against society. Everything that you see society doing, do the opposite. Do the opposite. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys.